For 75 years, OWE has been dedicated to the design and production of fine handcrafted outdoor casual furniture and fire pits. From their 400,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Comfort, Texas, artisans combine centuries-old techniques with state-of-the-art equipment to produce beautiful casual furniture. OWE uses only the highest quality materials in the production of their furniture. Carbon steel, galvanized steel, and 6061 alloy aluminum are meticulously chosen for superior strength as well as rust and corrosion resistance. Raw materials arrive at the OWE factory daily to allow continuous production of furniture and accessories. Materials are individually measured and precision cut to ensure a smooth and accurate fit. Steel and aluminum pieces are then formed by hand using a variety of customized jigs and machinery. A turret punch press custom-cut sheet metal for fire pit parts. A computer-controlled tube bender provides 100% accuracy and repeatability on furniture components. Manually operated roll benders create precise curves. Select pieces are then hand-forged, a process unchanged since blacksmiths in the Middle Ages. OWE utilizes 2 robotic welders for simpler and high-volume items. These robotic welders allow OWE to achieve extremely accurate and clean welds in mere seconds. Most OWE products, however, require the skill and craftsmanship of an experienced welder. Raw materials are placed in custom-made jigs, which ensure accuracy and uniformity. A full circumference weld is applied wherever metal components intersect. This eliminates the possibility of moisture entering the interior of tubing or in a crevice, a process that guards against rust and corrosion. All welds are then ground and sanded to create a seamless transition from one component to another. Each piece is measured and adjusted on a truing table to verify the balance of each piece and ensure it stands flat on all legs. The completed frames are blasted with tiny steel particles to remove dirt and oil from the manufacturing process, and then washed in a 7-step process that transforms the surface of the metal to an optimal blue metal state, leaving the frame perfectly clean and ready to receive the primer coat. A hand-applied zinc-rich primer is used to create a protective undercoat that inhibits oxidation and helps protect the final finish. An infrared gel oven is used to prepare the primer for the top coat. The top coating of the durable high transfer efficiency powder is also hand-applied and then oven-cured to ensure a long-lasting finish. Each assembled piece is powder-coated individually to provide complete coverage. Then high-quality DuPont Delrin glides are attached to each frame to protect patios and decks. Along with the handcrafted frames, the highest quality outdoor fabrics are used in creating custom-tailored cushions that follow the lines of the collection and fit each piece of furniture perfectly. Many of our deep seating cushions feature our signature Plush Comfort Cushion inserts. The Plush Comfort Cushion inserts feature an ultra-soft indoor foam core and a synthetic faux down layer wrapped in a proprietary water-resistant fabric, offering the feel of a premium indoor seating piece outdoors. Additionally, only the finest outdoor reticulated foam is used for faster drying, antimicrobial cushions. A computer-controlled bandsaw cuts cushion foam into exact shapes to ensure consistent sizing and reduce waste. Fabric is cut using a high-speed computerized cutting machine, which allows for 100% pattern accuracy and reduces waste. Cushions and pillows are then hand-sewn using Tenera thread made from the same chemical material as Teflon, providing the strongest seam available and assembled by hand-fitting the outdoor foam or pillow into the cover. Table and hearth tops are fabricated utilizing state-of-the-art water jet equipment to create precise-cut porcelain tiles. A computer-controlled router custom-cut shapes out of an aluminum honeycomb material to provide a durable but lightweight substrate for the tiles. The tiles are then secured to the substrate by hand using a two-part outdoor adhesive. Upon curing, finished tops are then placed into the metal frame. Each fire pit burner is hand-assembled and tested for certification before leaving the factory. Frames are covered with protective foam packaging to guard against damage to the finish during shipping. And custom pallets are constructed for more fragile products to further protect them during shipping. A box-on-demand custom box machine custom cuts each box to fit individual pieces. This reduces waste, ensures a proper fit, and minimizes the chances of damage while in transit. OWLE furniture is only available from authorized dealers throughout the U.S. and Canada. Through 4 generations, OWLE has maintained its commitment to quality and will continue to produce the finest handcrafted casual furniture available. OWLE, an American family tradition since 1947.